Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2024 250 SDX outboard. We have the very bright Kingfisher Teal with a white hull. There's a white water sports tower above my head with the Kingfisher Teal fiberglass insert. That is a factory option. As I move to the aft of the boat, we can see a large swim platform covered in SeaDek. The Mercury 300 Verado outboard is what powers this boat. Let's get up on deck, we'll show you some more options. Okay, we moved up on the bow of this beautiful boat. We have an ivory interior. The 250 SDX is unique that it's got a port side windshield. Traditionally in boats, you'd walk up the middle. On the 250 SDX, the left side of the windshield opens to give you left to right seating up in the front. Plenty of room to sit and lounge out of the way of the driver. There's a cooler up here, charge ports, speakers, grab rails, an anchor locker. A lot more stuff as we move farther back in the boat. This is pretty unique for a 250 SDX up front. Okay, we moved up into the helm station. We have a tilt steering wheel for your comfort. Our switches are nice and easy to get to with either hand. Our charge ports over here on the right. We have our stainless steel cup holders that are lit up at night. You can make them glow with the blue as well as underneath the seats. For gauges, we have a nice SIMRAD system up here. This is going to give you chart plotting, GPS, engine instrumentation, water depth, water information, down scan, all that good stuff. Nice and easy with my left hand, I can reach the stereo controls. This is zoned, so you can have the music louder in the back than in the front. If you got tower speakers, you can also change the volume on the tower speakers as well. As I lean back up here, I'll pay attention to the shifter. It's a digital throttle, digital shift. This is part of the Mercury Verado system. So it's fly-by-wire. Standard for that is going to be the active trim. When you shift this, there's no grinding, there's no clunking. That's reverse and that's forward, nice and easy. Other unique feature, three unique features about the 250. We talked about the bow. This large storage area. This door opens up to the port side. There's tons of storage in there with a pump out porta potty as well. You can upgrade to cushions in there. It's not quite big enough for an adult to lay in, but for the kids to get out of the sun or just to get out of the area for a little while, it's a nice space that's unique to the 250. We also have a lockable glove box right up here. You can put your phone, your wallets, what have you. All of these things lock with a key that you keep on your key ring. As I move farther back on the boat, this boat was ordered with SeaDek, flew down SeaDek throughout. We have a large ski locker here, another storage area, another storage area in the back. We'll get to where we're going. We can flip these backrests forward, drop down the bolster here. Plenty of nice large hangout spot for all of our guests. More storage, there's a table that fits right here, onboard charging, and of course the walkthrough on the starboard side. So equal floor length all the way throughout. We talked about three key features. The third feature is this backrest. When we're underway, everybody's sitting forward. We get to the sandbar, we get to the cove, we're gonna hang out on the back of the boat. We move this forward, this latch right here. This entire rear seat comes forward, which doubles the swim platform on the back of the boat. This is unique for the 250 SDX. Come on down, I'd love to show you the rest of the boat. This is David at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Thank you.